Ladies and gentlemen of Broken Bar, brace yourselves, because today, we are diving into the ultimate blend of American pickup heritage and cutting-edge automotive engineering. Meet the 2026 Chevy 3100A, a modern resurrection of one of the most iconic trucks in Chevrolet's history. First launched back in the late 1940s, the original 3100 earned a place in the hearts of truck lovers for its timeless design, unmatched durability, and all-American character. And now, in 2026, Chevy has brought it back with jaw-dropping style, incredible performance, and technology that pushes the limits of what a truck can be. Over the next 2 hours, we're going to explore every single detail, from its stunning retro-inspired exterior, to its feature-packed interior, its comfort levels, and the powerhouse performance under the hood. This isn't just a truck or Broken Bar, it's a statement. So buckle up, because you're about to witness the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 Chevy 3100 pickup truck marks a stunning revival of Chevrolet's most iconic classic. Originally born in the late 1940s as part of the Advanced Design series, the Chevy 3100 was known for its bold styling and unmatched practicality. Now, more than 7 decades later, Chevrolet has brought back the legend, but with a modern twist that blends retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Under the hood, the new 3100 comes with multiple powertrain options, including a 5.3 liters V8 producing 420 horsepower, a high-output 6.2 liters V8 delivering 470 horsepower, and for the first time ever, an all-electric variant offering up to 480 horsepower and a staggering 700 pounds-to-feet of torque. Transmission options include a 10-speed automatic for gas engines and a single-speed direct drive for the F model. Chevrolet has designed the 2026-3100 to be versatile, equally at home on city streets as it is on rugged off-road trails. Built on an updated ladder frame chassis, it has improved torsional rigidity, making it both safer and more capable when carrying heavy loads. The towing capacity ranges from 9,000 to 12,000 pounds, depending on the configuration, and payload maxes out at 2,300 pounds. In terms of tech, the truck is loaded from Chevy's latest infotainment system with a 15-inch central touchscreen to a fully digital 12-inch driver display. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, trailer sway control, and even hands-free Super Cruise for highway driving come standard on higher trims. The exterior of the 2026 Chevy 3100 is where nostalgia truly meets innovation. Chevrolet's designers have worked hard to preserve the timeless silhouette of the original 3100 while integrating modern aerodynamic lines and bold contemporary elements. At the front, the truck features a massive chrome grille inspired by the 1950s design, flanked by LED matrix headlights with retro-styled circular DRL accents. The hood has been sculpted with strong creases, adding a muscular, commanding presence on the road. The side profile proudly showcases squared-off fenders, a direct homage to the first-generation 3100. Chevrolet offers the 2026 model in a variety of striking colors, but the most talked about is the two-tone heritage blue with ivory white roof, a nod to the past that's guaranteed to turn heads. For those who prefer a more aggressive look, the Midnight Black Edition adds blacked-out trim, 20-inch alloy wheels, and smoked headlight housings. Step inside the 2026 Chevy 3100 and you're immediately greeted by a blend of vintage-inspired craftsmanship and modern luxury. The cabin layout is designed to feel open and airy, with premium materials like genuine leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood trim. The seats are thickly padded and feature intricate stitching that mirrors the patterns found in the original 3100's bench seats. However, unlike the old days, these are fully adjustable, heated, and ventilated with available massage functionality. The dashboard carries a unique retro-modern theme, a large central touchscreen integrated into a dash that retains the horizontal lines and chrome highlights of the classic truck. The infotainment system is lightning fast, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. A premium Bose 12-speaker audio system ensures crystal clear sound, whether you're cruising the highway or parked at a scenic overlook. Storage solutions are abundant, under-seat compartments, large center console bins, and clever door panel storage make this truck perfect for both work and adventure. The 2026 Chevy 3100 excels in comfort, a far cry from the bouncy ride of its mid-20th century ancestor. Thanks to an updated independent front suspension and available adaptive dampers, the ride quality is smooth and composed even on rough terrain. Noise insulation is top tier, with acoustic glass and triple sealed doors keeping the cabin whisper quiet. The seating position offers excellent visibility, and the large mirrors along with the 360-degree camera system make maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Climate comfort is another strong point. The dual-zone automatic climate control is quick to respond, and the optional panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Rear passengers are not forgotten. The crew cab variant offers generous legroom and fully reclining seats, making long road trips enjoyable for everyone. Even after hours of driving, fatigue is minimal, thanks to thoughtful seat contouring and lumbar support. The 2026 Chevy 3100 doesn't just aim to meet expectations, it crushes them. Slide into the cabin, and you're welcomed by deep cushioned premium leather seats with multi-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions for those long hauls. The suspension system has been finely tuned to absorb road imperfections effortlessly, so whether you're cruising down a smooth highway or tackling a gravel back road, the ride stays composed and quiet. Chevrolet has also integrated acoustic glass and enhanced cabin insulation, ensuring road noise and wind barely make a whisper inside. The dual-zone climate control keeps the perfect temperature for both driver and passengers, and rear seat occupants enjoy just as much space and comfort as those in the front. Add in thoughtful touches like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an optional panoramic sunroof, and the 3100 becomes not just a pickup truck or broken bar but a mobile lounge that makes every journey feel like first-class travel. Performance is where the new Chevy 3100 truly shines. Whether you opt for the gas-powered or electric version, this truck delivers a driving experience that's both exciting and confidence-inspiring. The 6.2 liters V8 variant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds, a remarkable for a pickup truck. The electric version is even quicker, achieving the same sprint in 4.5 seconds thanks to instant torque delivery. Handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. Steering is precise and well-weighted, while the suspension balances ride comfort with road grip. The available Z71 off-road package adds skid plates, locking rear differentials, and off-road tuned shock absorbers, allowing you to tackle trails and unpaved roads without breaking a sweat. Towing is effortless, with advanced trailer assist features making hookup and control a simple task. Whether pulling a camper, boat, or work trailer, the 3100 feels stable and capable at all times. The 2026 Chevy 3100 pickup truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a tribute to American automotive history, reborn for the modern age. Chevy has managed to keep the spirit of the original alive while giving us all the benefits of today's technology, safety, and performance. It's a truck that appeals to multiple audiences: vintage truck lovers, modern pickup buyers, off-road adventurers, and even those looking for an F with serious style and capability. The mix of bold retro design, cutting-edge features, and versatile performance makes it stand out in a crowded market. If you've been waiting for a truck that's as comfortable on a work site as it is on a weekend road trip, the 2026 Chevy 3100 might just be your dream machine. It's not just a comeback, it's a statement. And that wraps up our deep dive review of the 2026 Chevy 3100, a truck that proves legends never die, they just come back stronger. With its perfect fusion of classic charm and modern muscle, this pickup isn't just for work or broken bar, it's for passion, for pride, and for every driver who loves the thrill of the open road. If you enjoyed this review and you want more legendary car and truck content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big reveal. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you choose the 2026 Chevy 3100 over a Silverado? Or is this a piece of history that belongs in your dream garage? Your feedback fuels this channel, and together we'll keep bringing the best of the automotive world right to your screen. Until next time, broken bar, drive safe, stay passionate, and keep the legends alive.